Another alert. Here they go.
Weather bulletin. For the following county, Crawford, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 6:15 p.m. At 4:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albion, or 8 miles east of Conneaut, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Erie, Conneaut, Edinburgh, Northeast, Girard, Waterford, Albion, Wattsburg, Northwest Harbor Creek, Lawrence Park, Wesleyville, Lake City, Cranesville, Pladia, McKean, Northwest Harbor, and Avonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Weather